everyone, myself Sirisha KN, Department of Mechanical Engineering from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, subject at Materials Science and Engineering, subject code BME 303. Today I am discuss about powder metallurgy. Introduction of powder metallurgy. Powder metallurgy is a manufacturing process that involves the production of metal parts and from provided materials. It is a widely using from creating complex shapes that are difficult to achieve through traditional metalworking methods. Each component produces a Hitachi unique properties based on the materials and process used. His- Historical background. The original of powder metallurgy date back those about of year. The achieved techniques used of create material certificates. Modern powder metallurgy began to evolve in the 19th century with advancement in material science. The introduction of new technologies are significant Hitachi of unification of quality of powder metallurgy process. Powder production methods. The primary methods are producing metal. Powders include atomizing, milling and reduction. Each method has its advantages and suitability for different types of materials and applications. The selection of powder production method can generally include the final property of the manufacturing parts. Powder characterization. Characterization of metal powders in Curic and advantages increase below during processing. Key characteristics include particle size, shape, durability, and fallibility. Handling those properties helping optimize the powder for specific application and ensure consistent part quality. Compaction process. The compaction process involves compressing the metal powder into a direct shapes using a die. This step in critical has efficient density and mechanical property of the final product. Different techniques such as uniquely presses, the stopec presses are used depending on the material and desired outcome. Sintering. Sintering is a process of heat the compacting powder below its melting point to enhance particle bonding. This step improves the mechanical property of the part by elongation property of increasing strength. This sintering temperature and time must be carefully controlled to achieve optimal results. Application of powder metallurgy. Powder metallurgy is used in various industries including automotive, aerospace and medical. It is particularly available for production high performance components like grease, brakings, out cutting tools. This ability of create tolerance materials, composting alloys from involved solution in demanding applications. Advantages of powder metallurgy. One major advantages of powder metallurgy is its ability to produce complex shapes and mineral waste. This process can also achieve uniform material properties, which is essential for high performance applications. Additionally, it allows for the incorporation of multiple materials in single parts enhance functionality. Challenges of powder metallurgy. Despite its benefit, powder metallurgy faces challenges such as high production costs and limits material options. Controlling the microstructure and achieving direction material properties can also be complex. Ongoing research is focused in overcoming those challenges, expand the applicability of powder metallurgy. Future trend in powder metallurgy. The future of powder metallurgy is being shaped by advancement in additive manufacturing and 3D printing technology. Increased automation and digitalization are expected in enhancing production efficiency and reduce cost. Research into a new material and process continues to push the boundaries of what is achievable in powder metallurgy. Environmental consideration. Powder metallurgy process tend to produce less waste compression the traditional mechanical methods. The use of recycling powders it will become more common, promoting suitability in manufacturing. Life cycle assessment or incrementality being consideration understand the environmental impact of powder metallurgy product. Conclusion. Powder metallurgy is a various effective manufacturing method with is a wide range of applications. Its unique advantages make it a available option for industries seeing the high performance components. Continuous involving it failed process enhance capabilities and drive future growth. Reference 2021 Indus Introduction of Powder Metallurgy Journal of Materials Science 2019 Advantages in Powder Metallurgy Reviewing Materials Today 2022 Suitability in Powder Metallurgy Industrial International Jewelries of Manufacturing Engineering. Feel free to customize any part of this presentation as needed. Thank you.